Hey guys, Diana here from strategicfinances.net, helping women create more cash flow and implement better strategies. I'm here with my baby, and I just wanted to give you this quick tip. So this is something that apparently a lot of people don't know about. Well, I know I didn't know about it, so I'm just going to share this tip with you all. So I want to share with you how you can actually, get more out of your savings, or in this case, let's just say your emergency savings, right? Everybody should have an emergency savings while you're paying down debt and investing. That's just something that a lot of people don't even have. So get the emergency savings. Get the emergency savings, number one. That's a benefit in itself. But the point of this video is to share with you what to do, where to put. I'm just recommending, just sharing you what, I'm not a financial advisor. Just sharing what's worked for me. And what you can do is, instead of putting so how you can get more out of your emergency savings is, instead of just putting it in your traditional bank. So for instance, I used to bank at Bank of America, but I don't anymore, right? What I do is, first it started with me trying to get, because I know we all have experienced, hey baby, I know we all have experienced, dipping into our savings or whatnot, but I want to share with you what you can do. Number one, to set yourself up for success. So what I did to set myself up for success is I put my savings in a separate bank, not just a separate savings account, but a separate bank altogether. And it's an HYSA. Okay, so HYSA stands for High Yield Savings Account. And so what that is a high yield savings account. So your money that you have sitting in your savings account will actually accrue interest, right? And so I'm not going to get into details about how much and all this. You can go do your research. One bank that I've been using is Ally Bank. So you can go, or you could just go to Google and Google, HYSE accounts or high yield savings accounts, right? And if you need some, there's a few others, that you can look into. And one thing that I want to point out, or a few things, is look for ones that don't have a monthly fee. Look for ones that don't have any kind of fees. No fees. You don't have to pay fees, okay? So I just want the video to be short. So to recap, if you want your savings to go, to get more out of your savings, put it in an HYSA account versus your traditional bank, okay? And so you could, for example, maybe instead of earning, at the end of the year, maybe $2 off of your savings, you could maybe earn $200, right? That's just extra money that you didn't have to work for, and that just by doing what you should be doing anyways and having a emergency savings account, you earn some money. So that's just my tip for you. So go look up, what HYSA account is and get you one, okay? Number one, to recap, so that you can, number one, keep your savings separate, and number two, you can get more out of your savings, okay? So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.